Thunder, one's a boy, one's a girl. They're broken black. One's a doe, one's a buck. This is Purdy, my grand champion. And she had babies. Beautiful babies. She had one that looks just like her, kind of. It's cuter. And those two, you can't see anything. I can't use a flashlight. Wait, I have a flashlight. And I'll also use a flashlight for one more thing. One of my rabbit has 2 big old babies. What are you doing? Well, I'm going to help you see. That is a otter. That's also an otter. So she had 2 otter babies and 1 broken baby. Hello, my beautiful. We already showed you guys Thunder and her sister. Oh, Caramel. Right over there. That's Caramel. She had 4 babies. And she had 3 black, 1 broken. One of them is a buck. And the rest of them are does. One of the black ones is a buck. I think it's you. Because you're more tame than all of them. Is it you? Yes, it is. 591. Yes. This is Lilac. Her color is lilac. And also the rabbit that had babies 2 weeks ago. These are also her babies. We had 2 of that color. It's like a brown-ish. Then that's Chinchilla. But the other one was a little bit darker and had a little bit longer nose. Somebody wanted it as a pet. And I was like, oh yeah, sure. She gave me $25 for it. And I'm like, oh, thanks. This is Shadow. Shadow inspired me to name the other one Shade. Didn't you, buddy? He is so nice, too. This is Snow. Snow is very shy, and he's shedding, and he's old. Poor thing. This is Trickster. Because when we first got him, he would always stand up and do little weird tricks. The last one with babies. I said the best for last, right under him. This is Eclipse. Turn your babies out again. This is Eclipse. Those are her babies. She has 6 of them, maybe 5. Maybe 1 died, I don't know. She has 3, she had 3 broken and 3 of that color. And that is not black. That's actually seal, which means it's black with white on their chin and under their belly and in their ears. Well, Shadow has that in his ear. Is white in his ears, but like that's normal. She has white hair on her ears. And that's it for the rabbits. I'm going to show you the cows once I walk around everything. Well, this is going to be a pretty long video. Not really, but we'll see. Shortcut. Instead of going all the way around, try a shortcut. Little alleyway. We actually have cat the Hikins. That's under that. The brooder house. Anna. But yeah, dang it. I'll show you the big cows later. Dang it, you guys are out in the field. That's fine. come over here and look, you guys. Get a good look. That is Cherry. That is Aurora. The first black and white one is Twinkle. Wait, no, you're not Aurora. Who are you? Oh, that's Piper. The one behind that one is Aurora. And the difference between those two is Aurora is a little bit more white. What you doing, dog? Actually, on TikTok, they've been doing this thing where you make like your hand into a circle, then your dog puts his nose through it. And I've tried it with all my dogs. One, either my hand is too small, their nose is too giant, or they just don't care. One of these dogs cares. That's Roscoe. I don't know how old Roscoe is, but he's old. Now, to show you the big cows. I cannot see them. I only know one of them's names, kinda. And the brown and white is either Jay-Z or Atlantis. One of the Dutch Belted with a full stripe over there, like perfect stripe. Probably the one in the front laying down. That is Summer, I think. I don't know. They have chains on their neck because my grandma goes to milk them. She has to like tie them up so they don't move. Because they're not that tame, but one of them would be okay tame, but she's used to like the chains, so she's fine. That's it, guys. It's all for my farm tour. But we still have 4 puppies left for sale. We have 3 black. 3 blacks, they're all males. And we have 1 that is gray with black spots. That's also a male. I know. Okay. In a minute. Not yet, in a minute. Cornfield is tall. Pretty tall. Tasseling as well. Beautiful clouds. That's it for this video. Goodbye.